this exercise, we're going to practice putting a rhyme on the fourth beat in the bar. So when you have that 1, 2, 3, 4, on that fourth beat is where we're going to start putting our rhyme. To start this exercise, all I want you to do is to play a beat or play a metronome or even count to 4. And every time you get to the 4, I want you to think of a word. And then when you come back to that 4 on the next count, think of a rhyming word. So for example, without a beat, 1, 2, 3, streets. 1, 2, 3, beats. 1, 2, 3, heat. 1, 2, 3, defeats. So on each of those 4, we're trying to put a rhyming word. Then you can change the word. So let's say house. 1, 2, 3, house. 1, 2, 3, spouse. 1, 2, 3, mouse. So on each of those 4 counts, we're trying to put a rhyming word, and you can just continue to change that rhyming word. Now there are some variations you can do. Like I said before, you can do this to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start to recognize where that 4 is. 4. 4. Now let's put the words in. Beats. 1, 2, 3. Heat. 1, 2, 3. Streets. 1, 2, 3. Obsolete. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Strange. 1, 2, 3. Arrange. 1, 2, 3. Flames. 1, 2, 3. Hat. 1, 2, 3. Bat. Cat. Spat. Picture. Scripture. Rip the. Crypto. So on each 4 count, we're trying to put the rhyming word. Now, a variation you can do is to see how long you can keep the rhyme going for. So instead of changing every 2 bars or every 4 bars to a new word, see how long you can rhyme on the one word for. Another variation you can do is to start putting the rhyme on the 2 and the 4. So for example, if we were using the word beat, you could say 1, 2, 3, beat, but now we're going to try and put it on the 2 and the 4. 1, street, 3, defeat. 1, heat, 3, unique. So that's going to develop more internal rhyme, putting the rhyme inside the bar. And that's going to help with your speed of thought as well. So there's a few variations on this, and there's obviously the walking variation, which I'm going to talk about as well. Putting the rhyme on the 4 is the way most freestylers construct their rhymes. When you're thinking on the spot, it's more difficult to be really complex with your flows and your rhythms. So freestylers, they tend to lock into that 4 for where their punchline is going to go. And that's going to be the kind of basis of how we build our freestyle rap. As you get more advanced, you might vary where you put that rhyme, putting it a bit before the 4, after the 4, put it on the 3 count. But for now, we're going to really stick with that 4. So the more you can get that sense of where the 4 is, the easier you're going to find it to start putting your freestyles together. So just for example, if I'm doing a freestyle now, I'm sitting here in front of the green screen. When it comes to freestyles, I flow like a dream. Learn to rap, you can become a machine. Yeah, this is the freestyle team. Da ba 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 4. Da ba 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 4. So each of those rhymes in that short freestyle were on the 4 count. So that gives you an example of what we're trying to develop.